In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool, but sometimes you might find that a table or a database is no longer needed and needs to be erased to declutter your workspace. Let's walk through the process together, making sure each step is clear and easy to follow. First, let's start at the Notion homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your pages and workspaces. From here, you'll need to locate the specific database containing the table you wish to delete. This might sound straightforward, but if you have numerous databases, it can be helpful to use a naming system or tags that make them easier to identify. Once you've found the desired database, go ahead and click on it. This action opens the database, revealing all its contents, including the tables you might be working with. It's important to be attentive at this point, ensuring that you've selected the correct database to avoid deleting the wrong content. Inside the database, your next task is to find the table you want to remove. To do this, look for the small icon of 6 dots that typically appears beside each table. This icon represents an options menu, which allows you to manage your table more effectively. After locating the 6 dots icon next to your targeted table, hover over it to reveal a set of options. Among these options, Delete is the one we're interested in. Clicking on this will effectively remove the table from your database. Before you proceed with the deletion, it's essential to double-check your selection to ensure you're deleting the correct table. Accidental deletions can be frustrating, especially if the table contains valuable data. It's always a good idea to make sure you've backed up any information you may need in the future. Now, once you've confidently selected the right table and are ready to confirm its removal, clicking Delete will finalize the process. With that simple click, Notion will remove the table, reinforcing a more organized and streamlined database for you to work with. And there you have it. It's as simple as navigating to your desired database, locating your table, and clicking that Delete option to keep your workspace tidy. Deleting unnecessary tables can help you maintain focus and efficiency, ensuring your Notion workspace remains a productive environment. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made managing your Notion a bit easier. Keep organizing, and see you in the next video.